Good morning, Leanne here on GradysMom, guys. I'm starting a new week of what I pack my husband for lunch. Today, I'm giving him a grape aid Snapple, a Arnold Palmer half and half iced tea lemonade. These are in the plastic bottle, by the way, and of course, as always, the water cooler. The wrap you guys saw me make on the sun-dried tomato wrap, we had leftover grilled chicken, so I actually just sliced it up and used some for the wrap, and whatever's left I put in a little tiny Tupperware to use on a little salad later. And then I also put a large dill pickle spear in here because it fit perfectly. This container is the Sistema brand. Let me show you that brand there. They sell it all over, but I find the best deals on them are like at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. So I grabbed this there recently to use, and it's perfect for this wrap and the pickle. A Philadelphia bagel and cream cheese garden vegetable dipper, and then some fruit. We've got cantaloupe and some red cherries. I always want to say black cherries. Red cherries in here. But yes, this is his lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a Pure Leaf pomegranate tea, a lower sugar Gatorade in the grape flavor, a Dole mandarin orange, one of these Nature Valley granola cups in peanut butter and chocolate. And we did have tacos last night, so as you guys know, I usually try and make a little extra taco meat to make a taco salad. So I've got a bed of iceberg and romaine, some taco meat with cheese, some cucumbers, and then some of the pico de gallo from BJ's that I buy all the time. It's really good. It's a pretty hearty salad, so I didn't feel he really needed anything else. And I also gave him a little container of taco sauce here, and of course the 2 forks so he can eat his salad and his oranges. But this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a raspberry tea, a cherry 7-Up, and as always the water cooler. A croissant sandwich. I actually picked up some butter croissants from Trader Joe's and made a sandwich on here, which has some buffalo chicken. I actually went with some pesto aioli today. This one I found at TJ Maxx, but if you want to see all the products and aiolis they make, they have lots of different products, not just aioli. Their website is down below in this video. But this has buffalo chicken, Swiss cheese, that aioli, and some iceberg lettuce. One of these little Genoa salami and provolone little snack packs here. A nice juicy pear, and then a Trader Joe's vanilla almond granola bar. And this is lunch today, and we'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up the work cooler for Matt. Today I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry Gatorade Flow, one of the Arnold Palmer iced tea lemonades, and then I actually made him a salad today with a big thing of Trader Joe's spring greens on the bottom. I put some cut up leftover buffalo chicken from the deli, some like crispy wonton, salad toppers, some herbed feta cheese, cucumber, yellow sweet peppers, some tomatoes, and then the dressing is like a zesty Italian vinaigrette that I put in this little Sistema holder. I'm giving him some Pringles cheddar cheese, like individual snack pack, a banana, and then some less salt roasted almonds, and then some banana chips from Trader Joe's as well. And this is lunch today. We'll see you tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the week. I'm packing Matt's work cooler up. Today I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry Propel Zero, a strawberry Gatorade. We actually went to BJ's last night and a bunch of other errands. But anyways, the sandwich you guys saw me make is on this. It's a large croissant from Trader Joe's. And this has the spiral ham, some Swiss cheese, some spring mix, and spicy mustard. I also gave him a Pringle sour cream and onion little chip thing, and then some banana blueberry nut bread from the bakery at Fresh Market. And this is pretty hearty, and so is this. So I didn't really pack anything else. I don't know. I'm going to ask Matt if he wants me to throw in like a banana or something. But this is his lunch today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches, and we'll see you next week.